Jeremy Martin is back. Well, we already knew that, but what was initially reported as a 3-race deal will see him race the entire summer with the Monster Energy Star Racing team, and it's probably a pretty good thing when you consider how many people they have out right now. With Cole Davies, obviously we saw him get injured in the last round. Daxton Bennett, who just put out the injury update about him missing at least a few rounds. Max Anstey, who just had the update that he's going to need surgery for his leg after all this time. Pierce Brown, who was also going to miss some time. So with those 4 people gone, there's a good portion of your team, probably half your team, and considering that's probably about most people's full team. But with Jeremy Martin coming back, we do have a quote from him saying, "I'm incredibly grateful for the opportunity to line up this Saturday with the Monster Energy Star Racing team. It's been a lot of fun grinding with the crew during the week and building myself back up to a competitive level. I'm excited to get behind the gate and enjoy the process." Now the question is going to be, how competitive of a level can he actually be at? I mean, he's 32 now. I mean, you think he is the age of Tomac, who is, been in the 450s for a super long time. And we haven't seen Jeremy Martin in, since 2023 when he broke his arm at Hangtown? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong there. And we haven't seen him race in general since like 2024. He did a couple rounds of Supercross, and who knows? I mean, honestly, at 32 years old, a couple years kind of removed from the race pace, how well is he actually going to be? How well is he going to, competitive wise? How fast is he even going to, be in the top 5, 10? Who knows? That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well do you think he does? Who do you think wins the first round championship? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.